Hello friends, under the topic of median, this is the fourth part of median in which I am going to explain you how to calculate median for continuous series. But firstly, we need to know how we can identify a series that this kind of series is a continuous series. So that I will explain you first, then we will move further for the calculation of median for this kind of series. So, a series is a continuous series in which the observations are given in the form of classes along with their respective frequencies. So, such kind of series can be identified as a continuous series. For example, here you can see in the table X is representing the observations and observations are here in the form of classes like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 up to 60 to 70. And for each and every class, respective frequencies are given. So one can identify such kind of series as a continuous series. So what are the different steps we need to perform to calculate median for this kind of series? So there are certain steps. The first one is we need to calculate the cumulative frequency first. Then secondly, we need to compute the n by 2th item. Then thirdly, we need to find the median class with the help of value of n by 2. So wherever the value of n by 2 is falling in the cumulative column or cumulative frequency column, its respective class would be the median class. And lastly, we need to calculate the median with the help of formula, and the formula is MD equals L1 plus M minus CF divided by F into L2 minus L1. So here what these notations are telling to us. MD stands for median, then small m stands for n by 2, and n is what? N is the summation of frequency. Then F is the frequency of the median class, L1 is the lower limit of the median class, L2 is the upper limit of median class, and lastly CF is the cumulative frequency preceding to median class. So with the help of this formula and the meaning of these notations which are used in the formula, we can calculate the median for the continuous series. So now let me take one example here. With the help of that, I'll explain you how we can find the median for such series. So before proceeding for the example, here you can see firstly how we can calculate cumulative frequency. So for any kind of series, in that you have to calculate cumulative frequency. For the first class, the cumulative frequency would be same as the frequency of the class. For the second class, cumulative frequency would be the sum of the same class frequency and its preceding class frequency would be the cumulative frequency for the second class. And the same concept we need to follow to calculate the cumulative frequency for the remaining classes. So this way we can calculate the cumulative frequency. Now further I am taking one example here. You can read this example. It is, in a study conducted in an organization, the distribution of income across the workers is observed. Find the median wage of the workers of the organization. So you can see in this table, that is, income is given in the form of classes. So that is 0 to 500, 500 to 1000 and up to 2500 to 3000. And number of workers is indicating as the frequency. So for each income class, we are given with the number of workers or we are given with the frequencies. Now we are proceeding for the solution. So here in the solution part, firstly, as according to steps, we need to calculate the cumulative frequency. So as I have told you, for the first class, cumulative frequency would be same as the frequency of the first class, that is 6. For the second class, it would be 6 plus 7, that is 13. For the next class, it would be 13 plus 9, that is 22. For fourth class, it would be 22 plus 8, that is 30. For the next class, it would be 30 plus 4, 34. For the last class, it would be 34 plus 6, that is 40. So this way we have calculated the cumulative frequency. Now second step is we need to calculate n by 2th item value. So as I have told you, n is the summation of the frequencies. So here you can see either you can sum the middle column, so you will get the value of capital N, or you can take the last class cumulative frequency, that would also indicating you the summation of the frequencies. So here it is 40. 40 by 2th item will give you the 20th item. So now you need to locate this 20 in the cumulative frequency column. So you can see 20 is lying in the 22 in the frequency column. You can see the arrow here. So that this arrow is indicating you that 20 is lying here because 20 is greater than 30. So 20 cannot come under 30, but it is less than 22. So we can keep 20 under 22. So now its respective class, that is 1000 to 1500, would be our median class. So now here with the help of this particular class, we need to calculate the cumulative frequency for this example. So here I have taken the class for you. You can see here with this class, firstly we need to write down what are the different values of the notation which we have to use in the formula. So here the formula is this. In this formula we are requiring to get the value of the different notations. So firstly, as you can see, m is what? It is capital N by 2. N is 40. So 40 by 2 will give you 20. So the value of m would be 20. Then